We will play charades. Daddy will give the name of the animal. Kuya Red will act out and make noise about that animal, and then you will guess, anak. Madi, you will guess what's that animal, okay? O, game. Are you ready?
Animal! Are you ready? You're ready. Say yes!
Yes, I'm not ready because it's so hard.
It's okay, anak.
Easy, okay?
Okay, go.
I'm
Animal
going to
number
tell you
1.
What animal you're gonna guess, okay?
Okay. Act and make a sound. Make a sound, make a sound.
Glove, 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 glove.
Very good. Next.
Next one.
Okay, next. What's that?
Yeah!
What's that? What's that? Rabbit. Next. Okay, go. Madi. Madi. Madi, what animal is it?
Yeah!
Very good. Next. Last two. Last two.
Ready?
Ready?
Roar!
Tiger. Tiger. Tiger.
Kuya's favorite animal.
Tiger.
Roar!
Lion.
Yeah!
Wow! Last one. Last one. Last one. Last animal.
Ready? Go!
What's that animal? What's animal? What's the animal?
That's correct!
Monkey.
You win!
Okay.